All right, today I'm going to do an unboxing for fabric for Fabric Wholesale Direct, which is where I get a lot of my fabric. You get really great prices from them. They have an awesome selection. I believe they manufacture all of their fabric, so I like that it's made in the USA. I don't think any of this is imported, so I prefer to do that. It took me 11 days to get this. I ordered it, I think, on November 27th, and I got it on December 7th, which was yesterday, or December 6th. But regardless, it took 11 days. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. That's with the free standard shipping. It will come faster if you pay extra for the expedited shipping. But sometimes, if you're in a rush, sometimes you can't get it super fast, but their prices are amazing and totally worth it, in my opinion. So I got my list here. I ordered a variety of fabrics. I can't completely remember exactly what my intentions are for all of the fabrics, but I think I was going to make some pillow covers, pillowcases, some of my masks, which I'm gonna make a video for, and let's see, I don't know, let's bust in here and see. But I always squeal when I get packages that have fun little making goodies, sewing, arts, crafts. So you usually have to be pretty careful. Be careful with the scissors, because the fabric's like right there. So be cautious when you're cutting into any of the boxes, because they're usually packed pretty tight. And this was free shipping on 50. I took advantage of the Black Friday or Cyber Monday deal, so I got an even better deal. But they have like a point system, so when you buy certain amounts of fabric, you get points, and then you can use those for discounts on future orders, which I believe I took advantage of on this one. So I'm gonna carefully open this up. Ooh, so pretty. All right, so I got some Cotton Broadcloth. I got there's Cotton Gauze in here, and then there's also Crepe back Satin and Champagne and Stretch Charmeuse Satin and Champagne. So I bet that's what these two are. So let's set these aside. And let's see, this is the stretch? Let's see, I don't feel like either one of these are stretch. This one's got a little bit of stretch. So this must be the Stretch Charmeuse Satin. This is gorgeous. Really pretty color. I love that. And then let's make sure I don't have any other satins in here. And then on this one of the bonuses is they included a starter sewing kit. So you can always use an extra pair of scissors. I only have like 45 pairs of scissors. I have a scissor problem. But yeah, those are fun. Like needles, always need needles. Little hemming ruler. Yeah, it's a fun little kit, right? Little measuring tape. Got like a little seam ripper, little threader, a little thimble, and I believe that's probably chalk. Pins, like pearl tipped pins, and like a little pin cushion. Cool. All right. And so this one must be the Crepe back satin, which you can see it's kind of, oh, it's pretty. So you could almost could almost use both sides of that. Let me get out of the light here so you can really see it. I'm like getting in my own way. But yeah, you could almost use either side of this, which was kind of my intention. I think I'm going to make pillowcases with this that have like a built-in like eye mask. I don't know how else to, like a flap to cover your eyes. I don't know exactly how I want to do that yet, but yeah, you can kind of see like the front and back a little bit. So pretty. Let's see what the back of the stretch looks like. Gosh, this is really gorgeous. The feel is really amazing. The nice thing on their videos is they include, on their listings or each of their products, they have somebody who is showing you the fabric, not in every color, but showing you the fabric, and you kind of get a feel for whether or not it is like see-through, if it stretches, if it wrinkles. It's super, super helpful. It's kind of like Zappos trying on shoes, you know? You kind of get to see it a little bit. It's so hard to buy fabric online. That's why I was so apprehensive until I found them, and I've really been happy with my orders. So, so the back of this is kind of sort of like the same thing. It's like a crepe back, and it has a little, I mean, so minimal. It's a very minimal stretch, but depending on what your application is, that might actually work for you. But the color is absolutely divine. This is gonna look really, really nice on like sort of like white bedding. All right, let's move on. And this is my gray crepe cotton. These are 100% cotton. I use these for my masks. I've ordered them before. They wash really well. They're gorgeous. They iron. Like I said, they're 100% cotton. I always wash all my fabric. I don't know that I'm gonna wash the Charmeuse, the Satin, but this has got like a little bit of a cross stretch. It's very like you can kind of see like that you can kind of see through it a little bit, but it's very flowy and pretty and sews beautifully. So that's the gray gauze, and then got the black gauze. So I've noticed that like on some of the comments people will make on random fabric that they purchased from them. This one's a little more opaque than the gray, but it's you can see through it a little bit. But really nice and lightweight for like summer outfits, or like I said, masks. I make the masks with this, and then I also back it with some stretch wicking fabric that I get somewhere else, but I'll go into that later when I do my video on the masks. So this is, I think all the rest of these are 100% cotton broadcloth, so I don't expect these to stretch. I've gotten their stretch broadcloth, and it was beautiful. Oh, this is really nice and soft. I was worried that this was going to be thick and not so soft, but it's really, really, really nice and soft. So let me turn this so you can kind of see. This is the pink. You can kind of see through it a little bit. It's almost like a thin, really nice sheet. If you, if I had to compare it to something, but it's really quite beautiful. And again, I think I'm gonna, I think I got this for, I'll bet I got this for some reverse tie-dye with bleach is probably what I got. So I bought it in pink, silver, and which is kind of like a It is a gray. It's almost got like a greenish tint to it, a little bit almost. And then I also got it in white, and they're all really nice. And they include like a little packing slip. So yeah, so that's my fun unboxing. So I get to add this to my stash and do some fun new projects. All right, see you soon.